Hello, I'm Design Guy. Learn how to add eye-catching drop shadows to your designs in Canva. Click the Create button, then choose Custom Size. For this tutorial, enter 300 by 300 pixels as the dimensions, and confirm your selection. Go to the Elements tab and click on it. In the search bar, type Animals and press Enter, or click the search button. Browse through the animal elements displayed and select the one you want. Add the image to your project. Next, click Edit. Scroll down until you find the Shadow section. Click See All to view additional shadow options and explore the available customization settings. Select the drop shadow from the shadow options. Scroll down to view more settings. Here, you'll find additional customization options for your selected shadow. Adjust the parameters as needed to achieve your desired effect before applying it to your design element. You can adjust the properties, including the opacity and blur of the shadow. You can also change the distance of the shadow from the object to achieve the desired visual effect. Adjust the blur amount to control how soft or sharp the shadow appears. You can also increase the intensity to make the shadow color more pronounced. To change the color of the shadow, select the color picker and choose your desired shade. For example, pick green to give the shadow a unique look. Experiment until you achieve your preferred effect. After you've added your desired filters or settings, locate the Apply button at the bottom of the panel. Click Apply to confirm your changes. The updated configuration will be saved automatically. If you need to make further adjustments, simply repeat the process or modify any option as needed. Next, I'll show you how to add text. Click the Text tool, then type your desired words. To add a background, click the Background option and choose a color or image. This customizes your design with both text and background elements. To change the background color, go to the background settings and select your preferred color from the palette. You can also adjust the shades or customize the color as needed. To modify the text, click on the text element and use the editing options available. Change font style, size, or color to suit your design. Click the Share button. In the menu that appears, select Download. Before downloading, adjust the file size or quality settings as needed to fit your requirements, usually by using the provided slider or dropdown. Once you've chosen your preferred settings, click the Download button to save the file directly to your device. Wait for the download to complete. Now you know how to add a cool drop shadow in Canva. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more easy design tips.